Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Tank Studio. Today, our topic is merge queries. As the name suggests, it merges two different queries together. Why do we need that? We have a table here, which is a column ID and a product name, right? And we have another table here with the same column ID, but it has different other columns, like it has cost price, it has sale price, it has profit. So what we want to achieve is this. We would like to have the cost price, the sale price, and the profit in front of the product table. It needs two or more tables. We can merge two, more, or three, four, five, as much as we want. So let's start here. Minimum is two. So we need to go to data tab from table, delete it. I don't need that because I already have both the tables here. So how to achieve that? You can see merge queries here. We can merge query with one table or the other, or we can have an extra table here. I am going for a merger new. So my table 1 is this and the field is this. You need to select the field. I am selecting table 2 and the field is this. Forget about this. This is the joining technique. We will talk about it later in another video. Consider that this is the way of doing it. You need to have one common column in both the tables where it will do the match. Okay, now get ready to see the magic. It returns me a table. Okay, let's see what's inside the table. Ah, it is already there. Just change this. I'm expanding it. So I got a table here. But here it's repeating the table ID, which I don't need. So what I can do, just remove the table ID. Your table is here. What it did, it matches 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3, and 4 with 4. So it's just like the VLOOKUP thing, but in a different and easy manner. So we are already done with it. Here is the result. Ta-da! See you in next video. Take care. Bye-bye.